Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with XTB demo. So here I have my real account, as you can see, right? And I'm logged in. What you want to actually do is come to the top right, you click on this drop down arrow, and then you click on a training. And that will take you to your demo account. So we're switching the account. Every real account does have a demo account. So as you can see, we are now being redirected and we're logged into our demo account. I have some trades I have made here, as you can see. I'll click on my trades. I'll come here to fave, right, the favorites, and then let's do Ethereum. We're going to go ahead and make a trade for Ethereum. We will go ahead and let's say buy this much, right? Of course, you can go ahead and increase the amount that you want to buy. So let me increase the quantity. This is about 128 euros worth. We'll click on buy. As you can see, trade has been opened for Ethereum. You can easily go ahead and close the trades as well. Click on these three dots. Then you can close all. You can close only the profitable ones as well. So I've closed the profitable trades. As you can see, let's go ahead and close this one as well. And there you go. We've closed our positions. And now we have more in our trading account. And that is how to work with XTB demo. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.